Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're using this Cherry Blossom kit by Beautifully Planned by Louise. It is on my Etsy shop guys, so you can check it out there. The link will be in the description. And we're just going to take a little minute to appreciate this spread, which was last week's spread. So if you've watched me before, you'll know I always start with my days of the week and the dates. So we're just laying these down. Please excuse if I sound a little bit croaky guys, I'm definitely coming down with a bit of a cold, so I'm lying in bed voiceover in this just so that it gets up in time for you guys. But yeah, if this is a late video, then I'm going to let you guys know I actually lost the footage to this, then I refound it again. I think I deleted it and then I had to like recover it and stuff. So yeah, it was a bit of a nuisance, but I found it and I've got it up. Hopefully I've got it up in time for you guys. So yeah, as you guys see here, I'm just putting down some washi along the top. I love this kit, it's absolutely stunning, it's super spring-like and I just absolutely love cherry blossoms, so I'm all about this vibe at the moment. So I'm just going in with some full boxes now and I'm just laying these out across the spread. Again guys, you can do this however you wish. You don't have to do it how I'm doing it. This is just how I was feeling this week and this is just how I've laid it out. I've been a little bit more simple this week to be fair. I don't know if I've maybe lost some footage or I just left it like this, but I think I did just leave it like this. So we're just laying out some of these full boxes, then we are just kind of moving on to the sidebar and filling that out as well. So I'm just putting down these little step trackers because I am still trying to do like my walking pad and my fitness and stuff. So now I'm just going with these little headers like today, tomorrow, remember, things like that. And I'm just adding some little lists under this as well. Make sure you are keeping up with the Etsy page because I do a lot of sales and quite a lot of the new releases are in sales as well. So if you want to grab them for a bargain, then that's the best time to grab them. Also let me know if you want me to chat through these by the way, or if you just want some relaxing music in the background, because I don't really know what to do half the time to be fair. But this is this week's spread guys, I hope you love it and stay tuned for next week's.